Alrighty. Let's hit the road, pimps. It's later in the evening. This is my last day with the bike. I turn it in tomorrow. I rented it for 2 days. Today we're going to finish the day with a temple run. There's a big one, or at least one with a giant Buddha, about 25 minutes south of Chiang Mai. It's outside of the old city walls, which is just on the other side after this U-turn. I hope the audio is good. I have the wind blocks on, but I don't know how well that's going to do. The camera's in my pocket, so you're getting an FPV video here. Let's hope this couple does not step out in the road in front of me, and they're trying to do that. Okay. And let's stop for this couple so we don't look like a total fucking cunt. Alrighty. Stay in your lane, bro. Cool. Luckily, people here in Thailand are very considerate of people on motorcycles. You are not invisible on a motorcycle here. So people are paying attention and watching for other people on bikes. And you have some people who are much more aggressive. So if you are riding a bike here, people will fly past you and basically touch your elbow on the way, or just about. Just don't freak out when they do. Just be prepared for it. If you're not a good rider, don't try to lane split. You don't want to ruin anybody's car. They got nice cars here. So you don't want to be on the hook for that. I do not have travel insurance, which I haven't needed. But if I eat shit and hurt myself and ruin this bike or somebody's car, then my trip will be coming to an abrupt end, as I will be on the hook for a replacement of all the damage I caused, or somebody else causes. If somebody hits you and you're foreign, you're probably going to get charged for it. So I just want to give you a warning. I'm not advocating for or against travel insurance. That's your call. No one's paying me to tell you to buy travel insurance. I don't have a good recommendation, but it's better to be safe than sorry is the only tip I can give you on that. Yes, of course. Go. Drive slow, guys. You don't have to be speed demon around here. Nobody drives fast in the city. And look at these roads. They're tight. There's a lot of lane changes going on. I'm not an expert rider here. Also, I'm on a nice Scooty that's only got 16,500 kilometers on it. So it's basically new. If I was in an old piece of shit Scooty, I'd be less worried about damaging it, because then it wouldn't cost that much, right? But if you ruin a new scooter, then you're gonna pay new scooter repair costs. Okay. I'm wearing a fake Chinese helmet, like everybody else in this town. If you see somebody on a really nice bike, they might have a real helmet, but that's rare. I was talking with the guy when I rented this bike, and he says, "Oh, this helmet brand new. All these helmets new. Or when I buy them new, I pay 300 baht." A 300 baht is like $8.25. If you know anything about helmets or motorcycle riding, a real helmet minimum is going to cost you 75 bucks brand new, minimum, for one that is actually going to help you. This might bounce a little rock off my dome. It'll help getting blood and guts on my face if I run into a bird with my head. But if you crack your dome, this helmet ain't gonna do much. It might protect my face from a little bit of road rash. Okay, I'm taking a right up here. You gotta follow this here. Okay. Watch out for this guy. Squeezing. Nope. Alright, I need to stop and get gas on the way. Or at least on the way back. I'm at 40% of a tank here. Also, the blinkers don't automatically turn off if you complete your turn on these bikes. So, unless you want to look like an asshole or have people think you're signaling for a turn when you're not and cause a problem, then remember to turn your signal off. I keep doing that, and it's not safe to leave your signal on when you're not turning. I'm leaving Thailand in 2 days. I'm heading off to my last country in Southeast Asia before I head back home to the States. I'm excited to go. I might buy a motorcycle when I go there because it's really cheap to get a used one, and just do the whole country on a bike and sell it on my way out. Be a great series of videos to like switch it up and do motorcycle vlogs for the last bit of content I produce before I head back home. Okay, I think I need to keep heading straight. So squeeze back in here. If you know how to ride a bike, you can figure out an automatic scooter in 20 minutes, if not less. They're very easy. You just twist your wrist and it goes. You just got to be gentle. See, look at this guy right here, cutting real close. Just don't freak out. Really cheap to rent these. I'm paying $10 a day for this one. I've seen them as low as like $6 a day if you're outside of the tourist zone. And when I was in Pai, the hostel I was at, she was renting them for like $3 a day, which is a pretty killer deal. I wish I wasn't sick so I could have explored Pai more. But me and everybody else in my hostel, for the most part, was messed up. I've been meeting a lot of tourists that have crashed on motorcycles. Also, girls with their legs gashed up, guys with their legs and ankles tweaked. I saw one guy, he had a broken wrist, another guy with a broken arm, another guy with a messed up elbow. So you gotta be careful. I don't want to dissuade you, but don't drive like a total asshole out here. This isn't the West. People don't drive 80 miles per hour here through the city. Or 50. They drive slow. I'm going 25 kph right now. This is about as fast as you want to go inside these cities like this. I've been having a lot of fun on these bikes. Thailand is extremely beautiful to drive through. I mean, just some of the most incredible views I've been seeing are just on the road. The clouds in this country are like a painting. If you are from Nagaland, it's very similar to that. Like, the clouds here are reminding me a lot of my time in Kohima And my drive up to Kohima from the south, just the clouds in Nagaland were extremely beautiful, and Thailand will remind you a lot of that if you come from there to visit here. I've never seen clouds like this in my life that are just so consistently fluffy and beautiful. And the sun is always hitting them just right. So if we don't hit another police checkpoint. Though I have my receipt from paying my ticket. So the police officer said I can show my receipt for up to 3 days and not get another ticket. Okay, I need to stay left, I believe, at the fork. 1,000 feet, slight left. Okay, slight left. Got Google Maps in my ear. Stay in this lane. Can get bigger bikes also. They have more than just scooters for rent, but they cost more money. Like you can rent a CRF 250L or a Rally. Like it's a dual sport motorcycle. It's like a half dirt bike, half street bike, or not street bike, but you know what I mean. But those are like 30 bucks a day. They're really nice though. So if you seriously want to come here and rent a bike for like an awesome cross-country motorcycle journey, I would recommend a bigger bike, though the seats on the scooters are much more comfortable. And if you're like a couple, you can rent a bigger scooter with bigger seats. If you guys want to ride pillion, you don't have to take a little 125. You can get like a 250 or a 350 scooter with like big seats and big fairings to keep the wind off you and a windscreen. They have really nice ones. Oh, see, I left my freaking indicator on. You always return the bike at the same level of petrol you left with. You don't get free gas with these guys. So. Also in Thailand, they have unprotected right turns rather than unprotected left at a lot of the smaller stops. So you gotta switch your brain if you're used to driving in America. Like in the States, a lot of time you can turn right on a red light in the far right lane without stopping, or as long as you're paying attention for traffic. Here you can do that with the left turn, or I notice a lot of people doing that. I don't know if it's legal, but it certainly looks like it's legal. Also, I always try to hang off to the side of the lane. A lot of people drive in the shoulder here also. Okay, I think I have enough gas to make it there and back. So I'll get gas on the way back. Wow. And the wind feels so damn good on my face. The air is really great in Thailand. In the city, it's a little, obviously it's a little gas smelling when you're on the road. You can smell the gas, but as soon as you get on the highway, it's really fresh and clean. This is the Scoopy 125 is the model of this Honda. One thing I don't like about these scooters is the rear view mirrors are really close. And like, I'm not the most broad-shouldered guy in the world, but I feel like the mirrors are set for like little 85-pound Thai girls, which makes sense. But I'm having a hard time seeing over my shoulders here. And I have very average or below average, you know, soft boy shoulders. Even when I flip the mirrors out, it's like, a hard time seeing. So I'm really looking over my shoulders more than using the mirrors. Here. It's about $1 a liter. $4 a gallon for gas in Thailand. It's very similar price all over the country. Oh, let's let this one go. That was 7-Eleven. Stop at the next 7-Eleven. Oh, can you guys see the sun over there? Wow. That's freaking gorgeous. Holy cow. Kind of stupid. I think I'm driving in rush hour traffic right now, which makes total sense. It's some yeah. It's rush hour. I was hoping for a more open road, but that's okay. I get to practice driving in hecticness before I go to the next place, which is a lot more crazy than Thailand is. Driving here is a lot like it is back home in the States. Can we make it? Get a little bit of gas so we don't fall over. So no one cuts into me. Ease, your boy. Let's follow these guys. Over there. I need to do that. We're gonna chillax here. Woohoo! We made it. Woohoo! Just walking this scooter on through, making my way to the front, making my way downtown, walking. And I need you, and I miss you. I don't know the lyrics. Sorry. Yee. You've seen those videos of people holding their little dogs over pools and bathtubs, and they start to kick their little feet before they hit the water? That's how I looked walking through those cars. This bike has kind of a fat ass on it, so it wants to tump over as soon as you don't have any speed. It's a cool little bike, but I don't like how big the back end is. It's really heavy. Over here, finish a turn for you, swap lanes, don't drive like me. I couldn't make that turn tight enough, I was going too fast for my ability. Can't exactly drag a knee. Oh, Scooty. Well, we're getting onto the open road here. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. Actually, I can make it better if I pull over. I think I will do that actually. I'm gonna pull over and make the audio less windy because I know it's gonna pick up too much here. I'm gonna be going too fast for good audio. So if nobody kills me. Safe spot. I don't need to sit on the freaking road here. You can turn around here. Yeet. All right. Just park for a minute. Road here. Cool. Now I've got to merge onto the highway here. Let me do it right now. Go. All right. Make like a bird. I have to turn left at 600 already. That wasn't my turn. Okay. I would turn up here. So, oh, that wasn't a long time on the highway. Okay, cool. That's fine. There's no traffic here. Awesome. Wow. Clean air. There's very little animals and debris in the road in Thailand. Not worried about a bunch of dogs running out in front of me all the time, or a cow, or a cat, or a goat, or chickens. I'm not worried about random road bricks like in Goa. That was a weird phenomenon. If you go to Goa, there's always a bunch of bricks just like piled up halfway in the road and halfway not. Like you see this trash right here? That would be bricks if I in Goa. Hello. Hey, and look. That's a poopy dog. Alright, we're turning right up here. Yellow light. Yield. Lots of traffic. Okay. Cool. pretty. Right, these neighborhoods. Go. Okay. Continue straight. Turn right. Okay. Buddy. Let's make sure my map isn't fucked off here. I think I made a wrong turn. Oh shit. I'm blocking traffic here. People will come the wrong way on the highway in Thailand, on the shoulder. So, be careful about that. And people do park their cars on the shoulder. You can't always drive. I don't know if I'd consider this a highway. Decided against 7-Eleven. I don't need to go there. I have water. I don't need more sugary drinks. This guy's. See, everyone in the car here is stuck in this horrific traffic. And we are being chillin' on the side. We still have 2 bars of gas, so we're definitely good to make it home. Okay, so turning right any 100 feet, so I need to get over. exit number 3. Wat Pravat Deutschland. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, we need to get inside here. Okay, let's hope this guy stays in his lane. Awesome. 1, 2, 3. Cool. That was a horrible execution of that roundabout, by the way. That is not how you're supposed to go around a roundabout. You're not supposed to change lanes. Oh, wow. This road has a fresh coat of pavement on it. Wow. Dang, bro. Dang, bro. Jesus. They don't honk at you when they're gonna pass like that. They just fucking surprise you. Of course, a blast in the air is a surprise also. And about the 20-minute mark is where my ass starts to go numb. I definitely do not have the iron butt. Some guys can ride a bike for 4, 5, 6 hours. Me, I don't know about that. What about 3 hours in one day? Then I'm just done for. Wow, there's our destination. You guys see the top of the hill up there? Wow, beautiful. And what a great ride. We got one dog in the road. Not completely devoid of animals. Just less of them. Woo, and the air is starting to cool down right now. Wow. This left. Okay. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna beep here to let people know. As people cut these corners on mountain roads. You're not going to survive a crash if you smash into a fucking truck. Well, at least you're not gonna come out feeling good. Ed Marsh can drive up Nepal on a Honda 90. I can drive up this mountain on a 125. Wow. Let's take these damn glasses off. Out the throttle here. Wow. I got someone on my ass. Let's let them pass. tight turns. The back end is so heavy on this, it's getting a little bit squirrely on these turns. I don't know how I like this particular bike. The butt is just too big. The previous bike I had rented was freaking awesome. In Chiang Rai. That thing was killer. I forgot which one that was. Okay. This is parking right here. Yeet. Alrighty. We made it. Can we park up there? I think I might be able to park up here. Let's see. I'd rather park up here. Yep, we can park up here. Nope. Wow. Motorbike parking. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Oh yeah. Haha. TK. Hello. We made it, pimps. Alright, I'll be right back. Alrighty. We have arrived. Let's hope we can go inside. Oh. This one's closed. But we can take a look at the awesome building here. Wow. Check these guys out. Whoa. Freaking sweet. Look at those frescoes up top. And these cool doors. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Let's go see the big boy here. Figure I'd try to make the most of my last couple days here in Thailand rather than just sit around. Spent the better part of the last week not feeling good. Tomorrow's my first full day here, but I won't have the bike after noon, so.
Looks like we got a Lord Shiva here. Wow, okay. Or is this Durga and Shiva? Because one side is female and one side is male. Or maybe it's both, I don't know. Either way, it looks really cool. There's the trident and the snake and the pelt. But then we have a female breast and a lotus. Huh. I haven't seen that one yet. And then we've got a gorilla next door. I haven't seen the gorilla yet. Huh. There's definitely no gorillas in Southeast Asia natively. These fellows are probably local monks. They might be somebody else if you know better. Put it in the comments. But a lot of these places will have statues of the local monks that have passed away in them, which is really cool. Wow. got large golden balls here. Here's the gold leaf. It's thick. You can feel it's just thick with the gold leaf. Is this gonna go on? There we go. Wow. Okay, it's not. It's not working well. I tried. Wow. It's soft. Like it's really thick on there. Wow. Look, it's Christmas time. Merry Christmas. Well, lots of Christmas trees here in Thailand, actually. I've seen quite a few of them. Wow. This place is awesome. And then we got another really big Buddha. This one's standing up, tall and mighty. And you can see it from down there. I will show you the city panorama here. Wow, can you see? There we go. And that's Chiang Mai. Wow. That's a lot bigger than it feels like inside the city. Normally, I'm just inside the old city. Oh, they got a hot air balloon down there. Oh, they just turned it off. Wow. Hello. कैसे है? Good? Okay. TK. I hope that shows up well. Oh, we got a little gecko here. I think it's a gecko. Is it a gecko? Whoa, there's another one. Surprise. These are all over. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Alrighty, folks. I think that I'm gonna say bye-bye. This is the end of this here video. Oh, wait. I'll just do an outro here, and then I'll show you the pagoda with some B-roll. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you spending your time here with me today. It means a lot. If you liked it, please let me know. Hit the button, leave a comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and visit Thailand. I've had a pretty dang good time here. I would have had an even better time if I spoke Thai and didn't get sick. I do plan on coming back, hopefully with a friend next time, so I can have some company. Alrighty, bye-bye.